Let me share a simple secret that's going to change your life. Gratitude. It's so simple yet so difficult to do. For example, you're traveling and you give your seat to someone कि आप बैठ जाओ कोई बात नहीं, and that person doesn't even thank you. You'll get that pinch, कि seat दे दिया, thank you तो बोलना चाहिए, ठीक है खैर कोई बात नहीं. Another example, you cook food for your family. आप ना वो गार्निश करते हो कोतमीर काट के and all those fancy salads and all different cutting styles and all. They come, they eat and they just go away. No one appreciates you. No one gives a word of gratitude कि वाह क्या बात है, एक नंबर खाना बना. No one appreciates. फिर next time are you going to take the same efforts for them? No. ऐसे ही काट के दे दोगे, ऐसे ही खा लेना आप लोग, कोई बात नहीं, वैसे ही किसको फ़र्क पड़ता है. नो वन इवन नोटिसेस, नो वन इवन केयर्स. Similarly, we are blessed with so many favors from Allah, from our eyesight to our breath to our heartbeat to every nerve in our body, every cell. एक फटका पड़ेगा ना, एक नर्व डैमेज हो जाएगा ना, लेट जाओगे बिस्तर पे हमेशा के लिए. You'll get paralysis or even one cell that will start dividing abnormally. You know what happens, right? So every cell, every nerve, every blood drop in your body and everything, every organ, everything is functioning right now. This is all a blessing of Allah. You have to be so grateful, तब तक एहसास नहीं होता है ना, जब तक वो चीज़ आपसे छीन नहीं ली जाती, तब तक आपको एहसास नहीं होता है कि आपके पास क्या है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल when your hand is fractured or your leg is fractured, तब आपको एहसास होता है कि ये हाथ और पैर से कितना काम I used to do and now I'm just sitting, lying down, hopeless. So before it's too late, start showing gratitude towards Allah. You have to be so grateful. You have to keep thanking Allah. You have to keep telling Allah that Allah, thank you for everything, for this bag, for the shoes, for the blanket, for the pillow, for the bed sheet, for the money, for the fees, for the rubber band, and for everything, for the interviews that you're going, for the meetings that you're attending, for the way you're traveling, for the way you're talking, for each and everything that you have today. You have to be grateful. You have to keep thanking Allah continuously. Are you doing that? Are you showing gratitude towards your Lord the way you should? Or are you sitting and cribbing the entire day? ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं मिला, ऐसा नहीं हुआ, वैसा नहीं हुआ, ऐसा होना चाहिए था, वहाँ जाना चाहिए था, ये करना चाहिए था, ऐसा भी नहीं हुआ यार, वो कब होगा, ये कब होगा. इतना ज़्यादा खिच करके what are you getting? You're getting nothing. At least when you will show gratitude towards Allah, you will also feel good, and in return it's Allah's promise that if you thank me, I'm going to increase you in my favors. I'm going to bless you with more. This is Allah's promise. So it's a request to start showing gratitude towards Allah, to be grateful towards Allah. Even if you want to eat a bowl of Maggi na, और आपने खा लिया ना, उसका भी शुक्र अदा करो कि अल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मुझे खाना था मैगी और मैंने खा लिया. ये मत सोचो कि मैगी है क्या है, 2 मिनट में बनता नहीं है, पर ठीक है क्या ही है, खा लिया, no big deal. No, it's a big deal. It is a big deal because while making that Maggie, anything could have happened. Someone could have called you or someone कुछ भी अब्बी के अब्बी आना है, emergency ऐसा हो गया वैसा कुछ भी हो सकता है, but you sat and you ate it peacefully. It's a blessing. So start thinking deeply about certain things. You'll realize that you already have so much, and when you start thanking for all that you have, you're going to have more. Your life is going to change. You're going to feel good about yourself rather than feeling empty. मतलब ना 100 टाइल लगना था, एक टाइल मिसिंग है, 99 टाइल्स लगे हुए पर ध्यान उधर ही जा रहे. वो एक टाइल कब लगेगा, उसको जब लगना होगा वो लग जाएगा. एटलीस्ट बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर द